Today I have a 2017 Toyota Corolla. It has a check engine light, and I scanned it with a scan tool. The code is P0302, cylinder 2 misfire detected, and also P0604, startability fault. Let's figure out the problem and see what it is. In 2017 Toyota Corolla, the cylinder number 2 is this one. So whichever cylinder is closest to the timing belt, which is here, that's number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4 over here. Let's open it up and see what it is. First, we're gonna unplug this wire. This is called the ignition coil. We're gonna see the condition of it. It looks pretty good to me. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna exchange it with number 1 and see if the problem is the ignition coil. If the problem persists in number 2 still, we're gonna replace the spark plugs 1 and 2. And if the problem goes to the number 1, we know the problem is either the spark plug or the coils that we interchanged. If not, the issue is somewhere else. We're going to check if we get power in the spark plug. This method actually works for most of the vehicles with the spark plug. That's how you find the misfire. Although misfire can be a very small issue like ignition coil or a spark plug, but it also can be a head gasket problem that the coolant comes into the cylinder head and makes a misfire. So hopefully this one is a small one. All right, we're gonna take off the cylinder number 1, the ignition coil. And we're gonna take this out. We're gonna put this in number 2, and the number 2 that we took out earlier, we're gonna put it in number 1 and see if the problem of the misfire goes to number 1. If it does, we're gonna change the ignition coil. And put the bolt back in. That is good. It's all good. We're gonna plug in the wires again, and we're gonna go and check it. I probably go for a test drive and see if the problem is still in number 1 or in number 2, or it moved to number 1, and then I'm gonna let you know. Well, I did clear the code and I went for a test drive, and the problem is not coming back. And you see, this is the permanent code. I cleared all the codes. This permanent code takes a while to go away, but if the problem was persisted, it would show a pending code or a new code. So I'm guessing that it's because of just a bad spark plug. So we're gonna change all the spark plugs and see if the problem comes back. If not, then we're good to go. So let's check the spark plug, the number 2 over here, and see how it is. I already took off the ignition coil, so let's take off the spark plug to check it visually and see how it is. I have my socket for the spark plug over here. Let's see if it fits. Yes, it does. Let's loosen it out. that should be good. Let's see if we can get the spark plug out. Yes, we have it over here. And I don't know if you guys can see, the spark plug is really in a bad condition. So if you can see over here, there is a lot of carbon built up in the inside. So I may clean it, or I think it's better to just change them up to be sure, and then I will let you know what happened. Alright, this is a new spark plug, and you gotta be very careful dropping it. Drop it really mildly, and once that is dropped, you're gonna put the socket for the spark plug in, get it grabbed, and then you're gonna tighten it up. Okay, that is good enough. Okay, bring back your socket. Now we're gonna put in the ignition coil like this. Okay, let me find the bolt for it. This is the bolt over here. And now you're gonna tighten the bolt. That's good. Now you're gonna plug in the wire for the ignition coil. And that's how you do it. Thank you so much.